It's easier to let relax your mind when you are going to enjoy sweet sights, smell and sound of nature. One such a beautiful place is Suruchi Beach. Suruchi Beach is 50 km away from Mumbai and will take approximately 2 hours to reach this beautiful place. This beach is close from Vasai Fort. You will get local transportations like autos, buses from Vasai railway station. If you are living in Mumbai, then you can easily reach at this place by Western Railway. A walk through the tree along the shore captivates our mind. This beach is quite lonely and peaceful. This place is far away from city traffic and chaos. People from outside also visit this place to enjoy its serene beauty. One of the unique features of this beach is that it has a sort of lagoons. There is a shallow zone of water isolated from the ocean region. One can visit this place to enjoy horse riding and horse carts with local food stalls at this place. If you want a break from your busy schedule and planning for one-day picnic, then this is the best place for your picnic plan. The best time to visit this place would be from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. to experience the beautiful sunset.